This is how to wire the Cleveland Controls AFS262 airflow switch for your Atmosair unit. This switch will break the circuit and disengage power to the Atmosair unit when there's no airflow, and it will energize the circuit when there is airflow. So you mount this device vertical. It's important to do that because there's a diaphragm in there. So you mount it just like this, up against the surface, like so. This is the cord that Atmosair provided. And I just took a diagonal snips and cut the cord in half. And then I stripped back enough of the black sheathing to expose, I would give yourself about 2.5 inches of wire. And there's a blue, a brown, and a green wire inside. And basically we're going to wire the blue wires across the switch, and that would be common, the top connection, and normally open, the middle connection. By wiring the in and out blue wires to those terminals, we're wiring that across the normally open switch. So when the pressure switch senses pressure, that means there's airflow, then the switch will be closed and our Atmosair unit will be energized. When the fan stops, pressure is lost and the switch opens to shut off our Atmosair unit. So then you simply nut the ground wires together, which is the green, and the brown wires together. So that's it for wiring. And then again, you mount it like this. I would not mount it to the duct because it says a vibration-free location. So I'm going to mount it to the stud near my furnace, my stringer above for my upstairs flooring. And you get a 1/4 inch ID plastic tube, and you connect it to this bottom connection, which is the high side. And then you simply drill a hole in your supply duct. This has to be on the downstream side of the fan. And you insert the tube in the supply duct, and that's all there is to it. There's a cap that fits over the top. This guy right here. So we'll replace that, and then you simply plug this end into a 120 volt power supply, and this end plugs into the Matterhorn. So that will allow your Matterhorn to turn on and off with your fan, and should extend the life of your ionization tube.